install a garage door lock. So this is an ever-built lock, deadbolt lock, and these are all the pieces that came with it. For this, you're gonna need a screwdriver with a flathead bit and a Phillips head bit. So first we got the lock here, and this frame piece, the lock just fits through the frame piece like so. Now here's the hole where the lock goes, and we're just gonna push it through. And then I'm gonna raise the door so that gravity pushes the lock and keeps it in the hole. See, now it's sitting like so from the inside. That's what it looks like. Now we're gonna take this piece and these two screws, and you're gonna need the flathead, and so these two screws go through the holes like so, and then they fit into the holes of the lock, those holes.
Black coffee tastes so fitting right now. It tastes so bitter in my mouth. I swear I just want to spit this feeling out. To keep working without you because I'm just sad. I'm gonna miss.
Now you're gonna need your Phillips head bit and 4 of these screws, and they're gonna go through the 4 holes of the deadbolt, these 4 holes, into the frame of the garage door. Those 4 holes. And the lock is gonna be facing down. Alright, so we're in the garage now, the door is closed, and this is the way the lock works. Like on the outside, like there's the lever that's attached to this on the inside, and when you turn this, then like these rods go out and they go in the holes of the frame of the garage door, and it's on both sides. So I'm gonna turn it all the way. The lock clicks in place, and then open the door. Garage door is locked. And then if you're on the inside, then just press that knob, turn it clockwise. Let there be light. Test it from the outside. Got the keys here. Ta-da! All good. Like and subscribe. Don't forget your keys.